The winds are changing, so I need to do part 2 from here at Kings Lake before I leave the area. So this is part 2 on what to look for the future of coronavirus in the United States. Irony. All right, so this isn't necessarily worst case scenario, but it's definitely not good. There's 3 things to keep in mind when you're looking at the vaccine. The first is how many shots it requires. Ideally, it'll only require 1, and that's what we talked about in the best case scenario in the previous installment. But it's entirely possible to take 2, in which case any time frame gets pushed back by 3 to 6 months. It's just a matter of math. Second, there's the storage requirements for the vaccine. Most of these do require a degree of refrigeration, which is not a problem. We do that for immunizations and the flu shot all the time. But one of the vaccines that is undergoing final trials right now requires storage at negative 94 degrees. Unless it's going to get administered by hospitals or research facilities, we don't have a distribution system for that, which means that we're looking at probably 2023 if that's the winning vaccine. And then third, and perhaps most problematically, is that this is a first-round vaccine. We've never done this before. And first-round vaccines usually aren't 100% effective. In fact, 50% is often considered good enough. Well, if we have a vaccine that's only 50% effective, we don't get to go out again. That's not good enough, especially since the only way that you find out if you're immune is if you've been exposed. So between these 3 factors, we just don't know. Hopefully we will know in a couple of months. We are expecting final results from several of these vaccines fairly soon. But until we do, we just can't chart a path back. Stay tuned for phase 3. Probably won't be in quite as grand of a location with all the smoke coming back. See you soon.